Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another beautiful day. It's on a Saturday. I'm going to the farm. So this is another farm vlog. Yeah. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the World of NK. If you're new here, please remember to hit the subscribe button. Uh, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. Hit the like button. I have to rush out because my biker is already here. See you later. Hey guys, we are at the farm. We already arrived. Right now, um, I am making some breakfast. I honestly forgot to bring my tripod, and it would have been so useful. And I just had a very funny morning. I woke up, left the house, went to the stage, and then when I was at the stage, I realized I had forgotten my charger and we lost power last night. So I had to go back. I had to call my bike guy to take me back home to get my charger and then come back. It was a lot, but I did manage, though it was a bit costly. But yeah, we did manage. We're here at the farm. I'm fixing us some breakfast. I'm actually making tea, and yeah, let's see how the day goes. So yeah. That's a nursery bed of spinach, and this is a nursery bed of onions.
Yeah, they're not spring. Bulb.
Oh, these are bulb onions.
Yeah.
Ah, that's interesting. Left the spinach last time, and they seem so grown. No, they don't seem so grown. They're actually so grown, and now I will have something to harvest later for home. Yeah. I don't know. I personally never trust these ones because they feel like they're too hard and too old. So yeah, I don't know what these are. I feel like they look like terere. Yeah, is that so? I'll have to ask. I don't know, but they look like that. I don't know. I'll have to ask because I don't know what this is, but they look so good. If they're terere, I have plenty of mboga to carry home. So yeah, onions. But these ones are still quite young, so yeah, I'll show you ones that are pretty grown, ones that I intend to harvest before I go home. The big onions, these are spring onions. I'm telling you, i I love them. The only part that I hate about them is the part where I have to prepare them, like removing the bad parts, that part. Removing that is what I don't enjoy, but they smell so good and they make the food taste so good. And here's a tree. I'm not sure if this is a mango tree or an avocado tree, but my cousin has told me that it's an avocado tree. So I can't wait for it to grow. Yeah, but it looks so good. This kuma is, oh my god, look at how big. It is literally so big. Like this is one leaf and this can actually feed a baby. And then this is a cabbage. I showed you cabbages before. Alex, they are waiting for the rains for them to actually thrive, but they are looking good already, to be honest. Let me give you an up close look. Like yo. But then the insects, let me tell you, the insects are killing. These onions, they've been slashed. I don't know. I think these are bulb onions. These leaves have been slashed because we have a thieving problem around here. People come to steal your plants or your crops, and it's not so good. So you have to actually slash them so they don't look like they're there.
Oh, wow. A bee is there.
Oh my god, I'm scared of bees. Oh my god. So you said what kind of beans are these?
The purple and black one.
The purple and black ones. That's very interesting. They're growing so beautifully. Cindy?
You see the bee there?
Yes, I see it.
Wait, how?
It's gone inside.
I see.
So I am here. I'm so happy to be here. And definitely we're going to the farm. Not to the farm. We're going to see some trees later. And that's just about it. For today, we're not harvesting. We're not doing anything much. We're just here for good vibes and inshallah, just to check on things. Blah blah blah. So yeah, that's just about it. Thank you, Alex.
Welcome. Yeah.
So this is
It
pyrethrum. Do you know what pyrethrum is used for?
A repellent.
Uh-huh.
Oh, so this is what they use for doom.
Mm-hmm.
I hate.
Yeah. From here, but it's not clear because the sun is sunning. But it does look good, Cindy. We are in a forest.
Oh, don't close, don't close, don't close. When they're properly propagated,
Mm.
the seeds are much bigger. And then pigeons eat the castor seeds.
Oh.
So once they discover they are there,
Mm.
they'll come and vomit here like nothing.
Yeah.
Now the ones which are falling down, they'll even multiply more before you know. So it laid some eggs there. They hatched into chicks and they matured. Now they have left the nest. But if you look around, most likely you'll find a nest which is
Wait, let me see.
For lunch, the good thing about farm life is that you get everything you need. right outside. And this one is not cooperating.
You put salt, they stop sticking because water is coming out, sucking out the water.
I'll show you when it's in the plate and ready to be eaten. They're so hard. Let me help you with this. I'm just scared. Because I've ever been chased by one. So the trauma is still very much present.
And there's
It's there, it's just chilling. Oh, you go and do that so that I can believe you because me, I'm not about to do it.
you can sniff you even my dad.
Look at it, it wants to come. Look! Hey! Let me tell you. Alex, we are not doing this. I don't know if you all can hear me, but my day has ended. And it has ended well. I have really enjoyed this time round being here because I've really been able to see a lot of things. I've been able to learn a lot of things, as I hope you have. I really hope you have enjoyed watching this vlog just as much as I am. I'm gonna end this vlog by showing you what I came with from the farm, and have an amazing time. See you next time on my next farm vlog. See ya.